Good morning, students. After posting the journal entries into a ledger, the next step coming is the unadjusted trial balance. So, unadjusted trial balance is a kind of balance sheet which has been prepared before adjusting the entries. So, when we create a unadjusted trial balance, we till that we didn't adjusted the ledgers accounts to a business, and a unadjusted trial balance is created at the end of the month or at the end of the year or at the end of the quarter. It depends on the company that which financial system company is using. So a company can also create the unadjusted trial balance at the end of the month also, at the end of the quarter also, or even at the end of year also. So creating an unadjusted trial balance is very much simple. You just have to write down the balance of the account at the end of the period. So as we are going through the example of a company A for the month of January 2020, so here you can see easily see that at the end of the month means as on the January 31, here is the trial balance, unadjusted trial balance of the company A, and where just we have written the closing balance of the accounts. For example, the closing balance of cash account at the end of the month is $20,430. Same for accounts receivable, it's 5,900, office supplies 22,800, prepaid rent 36,000, and so on. You can see here easily, you can see here that we have written down the closing balance of the accounts at the end of the month, and the total amount of the debit side and credit side is always same in the double entry system, because the amount which is debited, the same amount is credited in account. So here you can also see that debit side and credit side is equal. If in case you found any miss difference between the debit side and credit side, it means there is an error within the journal entry. So we, in that case, we will need to check our journal entry, because in the balance sheet always the debit side and credit side is same. So here go through this example of the unadjusted trial balance, and then ask me if you have any questions. In next class we will learn the adjusting of the accounts ledger. Thank you.